Hello students, in this video I am going to explain how to draw the graph of step function and using graph how to find the domain and range. Here the given function is f of x equal to 1 minus x when x less than 0, 1 when x equal to 0 and x plus 1 when x is greater than 0. So using this given data, first form the table and using the table draw the graph, and very important this is domain, that is the input. So less than 0, greater than 0, equal to 0, it covers all the values from minus infinity to plus infinity, and hence domain is equal to R. So range we have to find only through the graph. Okay. Now first when x equal to 0, x equal to 0 belongs to here. When x equal to 0, y equal to 1. When x is 1, from this interval x equal to 1, y equal to 1 plus 1, 2. When x equal to 2, 3. When x equal to minus 1, substitute here. When x equal to minus 1, 1 minus of minus 1, 2. When x equal to minus 2, 1 minus of minus 2, 3. Correct. Now plot all the 5 points in the graph. When x equal to 0, y equal to 1. When x equal to 1, y equal to 2. When x equal to 2, y equal to 3. And when x equal to minus 1, when x equal to minus 1, y equal to 2. When x equal to minus 2, y equal to 3. So this is the graph of the function. So input is there, horizontal length R. So domain is R and range. What is the range? Range is vertical length of a curve. So what is the bottom? 1 and above 1. So range equal to, so domain equal to, what is domain? Domain equal to R, range, closed interval 1 to infinity. Closed interval 1 to infinity, vertical length of a curve. So closed interval 1 to infinity. So you can expect this question in your school exam, either in section C or section D. Practice similar types of questions with a different value of f of x. Thank you. Hello CBSE 11th and 12th students. Are you looking for maths, physics, chemistry, online and offline tuitions? Marvel classes by Akilan Institute provide both offline and online tuitions, and with separate Marvel experts, and we have best study material, regular test with doubt clarification class. Also we have excellent support through Marvel digital courses. It is not like ordinary one-way communication online classes. It is two-way communication. You can interact with teachers on the class itself. And what is the one big advantage of Marvel? We will focus other subject also. Last 3 months we will provide coaching support for biology, computer science, English to get more marks in your board total. So this is a proof of that coaching. And one more advantage, join before 30th of this month and get flat 30% concession and complete digital courses through Marvel classes. If you want to attend free live classes, call 7092008008 or 7092005005. So you can attend 1 week free trial class. After that you can decide. Thank you.